Hi, I'm Anna Rizzo, and I am really excited to be teaching Developing the Actor's Voice at the Actor's Playbook. I am a firm believer that the actor's instrument includes body, mind, and voice. And I think we get a lot of training on being great actors, which exercises our mind. I think we get a lot of work in on our body because we're conscious of how we look on camera or on stage. But I think the one area that a lot of us don't know how to even tackle is the voice. Most of us learn to speak when we're so young, and then we kind of never really revisit that topic. But in here, using our breath capacity, we can really affect how our character is able to communicate with others, and that deeply affects our casting. So if I just take a simple line like being a police officer and saying license and registration, if I talk and use a voice and say license and registration, I'm probably not conveying the worry and getting the person who I'm pulling over to feel what they need to feel in that scene, as if I communicated license and registration. Similarly, if I'm speaking too much kind of in here, and I'm license and registration, that changes how the person is going to receive the words and intention that I'm sending. So, in developing the actor's voice, we're going to work on making sure that we have good breath capacity so that we can sustain our sentences and we're not running out of air before we finish. We're going to make sure that our voice is flexible and that we're able to go up into our higher registers of our voice and down into our lower, deeper registers of our voice. We want to make sure that we're, not speaking with vocal fry if we're not intending to, and that our voice is resonant and free so that we are able to be fully embodied in the characters that we play and have flexibility to maybe change a little bit so that we can inhabit different characters. So join me, we'll work on exercises and we will develop your actor's voice.